project for the extension of Duca d'Aosta breakwater took place in the port of Naples, Italy. It consisted in the eastern extension for a total length of approximately 300 meters of the existing Duca d'Aosta breakwater, not connected on shore, intended to protect the eastern access channel, enhancing the navigation safety of vessels entering and leaving the port, as well as ensuring their secure docking along the quays overlooking the channel, the future terminal container of the port of Naples. This project was initiated by the Autorità di Sistema Portuale del Mar Tirreno Centrale, the governorate port authority managing the three main ports of Regione Campania: Naples, Salerno, Castellammare di Stabia. The contract of the project was awarded in December 2023 to the Association of Companies composed by Società Italiana Dragaggi, also known as SIDRA, Finchese, Consorzio Integra, and Savarese Costruzioni. The same parties have established a limited liability consortium company named Campania Porti, also known as CAMPORT, to perform the works in an integrated way. The extension of the Duca d'Aosta breakwater involves the installation of 13 prefabricated reinforced concrete cellular caissons designed to be founded at minus 15 meters below sea level on a rock bed, made of stones weighing 100 to 500 kilograms. Two types of caissons were planned: 11 Type A and 2 Type B, each featuring multiple cells filled with various materials for stability and strength. The 11 Type A caissons are 22.20 meters wide, 20.60 meters long, and 16 meters high. The 2 Type B caissons are 26.50 meters wide, 22.20 meters long, and 16 meters high. The caisson structure is made in reinforced concrete, basically consisting in cells that have internal dimensions of approximately 4 times 4 meters, void at launching. At that time, the ratio between concrete volume and overall caisson volume is around 25%. The consequence that the overall specific weight of the caisson is apparently 25% the weight of the concrete. 2,400 kilogram per centimeter, equal to 600 kilogram per centimeter, resulting in floating of the built caisson. Caissons were placed in final position, simply filling void cells with water on a foundation consisting in a trapezoid basement made of well-proportioned natural stone to 1,000 kilogram each. Once placed, the caisson cells are filled with a mix of concrete and rocks weighing 400 to 800 kilograms, so-called cyclopic concrete for the outer raws, and quarry run to Venon for the inner raws, with a final 2-meter capping in concrete. Above this, the superstructure casted in situ extends from plus 1 meter to plus 3 meters above sea level and is completed on seaside with a crowning wall as wave barrier reaching plus 7.30 meters above mean sea level. On the caisson's internal feet, the foundation is protected by means of boulders weighing between 3 and 7 tons. On the seaside, the foundation is protected by means of a double row of prefabricated concrete blocks, so-called massi guardiani, scour protection blocks, measuring 2.50 per 5 meters and 1.50 meters high each, and weighing each approximately 40 tons, and a further layer in boulders weighing between 7 and 10 tons. The prefabrication, transport, and installation of the caissons was awarded by Campania Porti to Finchese. Given the technical prerequisites, the prefabrication is taking place in Bari, region Puglia, on the southeastern coast of Italy. The towing of each caisson from Bari to Naples, around the southern side of Italy, across the Strait of Messina, took an average of 3 weeks. All the remaining works, consisting of the installation and leveling of the rock bed foundation, filling of the caissons, casting of the reinforced concrete superstructure, and installation of the scour, erosion protection, were awarded to SIDRA and Savarese Costruzioni jointly. Works have been delivered on the 10th October 2024 and have been completed on the 30th of April 2026. Given the remote status, not shore connected, of the breakwater, the supply of any material, equipment, and personnel on the workplace was ensured by a fleet of various specialized cranes and tools, tugs and boats, in function of the needs at that moment in time. In addition, the supply of concrete was ensured by means of concrete mixers and pumps installed on ferries, especially chartered for the works. An international team consisting of experienced and motivated members of both companies, SIDRA and Savarese Costruzioni, worked together in Napoli to deliver the works in accordance with the applicable safety and quality standards and 2 months ahead of the timing. The results of the effort of any worker and management are under your eyes.